Okay, so what we have here, I am the latest victim of an eBay clutch kit. Right, this is for a Volkswagen 020 gearbox. Right, let's just see if we have this open here. This is stage 1. Supposed to have a fit-out bearing as well, and this neck is really done. Really done. This here. Actually isn't too bad. See this one here. This up. We have clutch this. Clutch Max Pro. Right. So the clutch is here. This is supposed to be a 210 millimeter clutch disc. Set that aside. And next, what do we have? That's all I got. Oh. Throw bearing. Push rod bearing. Clutch alignment. Oh, it's broken. That maybe could have happened during shipping. Same as the original, I would assume that it's weird. Okay. Oh, the paint job is terrible. Off the bat, the paint job is terrible. So nothing else spots. Come to think of it, this seems used. Could be wrong. This seems used. Well, the victim of eBay.